Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Now let's get started. First, let me show you how to delete an entire conversation. On the Messenger home screen, find the chat you want to remove. Long press on the conversation until a menu appears. Now tap delete and then confirm by tapping delete again. That conversation will now be removed from your Messenger. Next, let's see how to delete individual messages. Open the conversation and long press on the message you want to delete. Tap more, then tap delete. You can select multiple messages if you want, then tap delete and confirm. If the message is one you received, it will only delete for you. If it's a message you sent, long press it, tap delete, and you'll see 2 options. Delete for you or delete for everyone. Choose delete for everyone if you want to remove it from both sides. And that's how you delete messages on Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.